Alright, so you've probably heard the rumors. Cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis, right? Well, let's get to the bottom of this. Turns out that satisfying popping sound you hear is actually bubbles bursting in the fluid around your joints. But does it cause arthritis? Well, researchers have studied this extensively. One study tracked 215 people over several years, and guess what? No increased risk of arthritis for knuckle crackers. Interesting, right? But let's not stop there. We've got the experts weighing in too. Rheumatologists and medical professionals say there's no concrete evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. So before you give up on that satisfying habit, stick around. We're about to find out if it's all just a harmless myth or a reality you should be worried about. Intrigued? Let's dive in.